How to use HelloFresh recipe and cooking instructions. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So here's what you need. First of all, open the HelloFresh app onto your device, log in. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet. So once you are in the very home page, simply want to tap on the cookbook from the center at the bottom of the page. There you could either go ahead and save your first recipe as well if you want to. Otherwise, you could also tap the three dot and you could also go ahead and save recipe URL, or maybe open, or you could also tell about your friends, or you could just tap here for more cookbook details as well. And if you tap onto this plus button, you could also find a recipe link, and this way you could also go ahead and use the link from other websites or maybe through your Instagram social media platforms, and that's how you will be able to use recipe and cooking instructions within your HelloFresh app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.